Alright, hi everybody, Midnight here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys, last time I showed you guys how I edit, a video. Today I'm going to be guys showing you how I edit a video. Now this thumbnail is going to be for one of my future videos. It's probably going to be for tomorrow's video, but I'm going to show you how I edit a thumbnail. I said video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit a thumbnail. Now the editing software I use is PicMonkey, which is an online photo editor. I do not have a software editor, guys. I use PicMonkey to edit my thumbnails, and it's free, so I like to use it. So first of all, you guys are also going to be getting a sneak peek of what tomorrow's video is going to be. So I pull up some photos from my computer, and I look to one that I want to do once I find it. And this is the one I'm going to be using. And then I have to wait till the software uploads my image. And this is what my next video is going to be, which is going to be a surprise, but you guys don't actually 100% notice. But the first thing I do is I have to go and resize the actual frame. Okay, I want to take it down to YouTube's level. And I apply that. Sometimes it doesn't want to work right and I have to refresh it. So I'm going to refresh it, and I'm going to go back and I think it's going to load it up for me. Okay, so I have to go back and get the photo. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to resize it. Click apply. Then the next thing I do is I go to my frames, and I put the border around it, and I like to shrink it a little bit, make it possibly around 10. And then I change the thickness and make it 10. And you can't see it because it's white, but I like to add purple and black around the border. And then click that out. Now you can see this is what I got. And this is actually the TV that I have that I'm reviewing. So next thing I go to text. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot. I need to get a history, and I need to get this. So I'm going to take that out, and then I'm just going to put LG, and then I'm going to take this off, Now, I'm going to take the 65 and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to put 65 in there. And then I'm going to put review. Oh, no, first thing is first. Hold on for a sec, guys. Okay, so I'm going to type R E E. So I'm going to take review, and I'm going to copy and paste this, and then I'm going to go back to my editing software, and then I'm going to click this. This is what I like to use for my font. So I just copy and paste this there. Now I'm going to actually bring this up to make it a little bit bigger. Try to make it as big as I can without it touching the borders. Now, what I also want to do is I want to kind of like make it stick out a little bit more. So I'm going to type effect. And then I'm going to put in drop-in shadow. And then I'm going to put a nice border around it so you guys can see it more. Now I'm increasing the intensity of the border, and go to about, I like to go to 23. So now I'm going to pick a color for it so it stands out, so you guys can see it. I think yellow will make it stand out a little more. Then I like to add on my, oops, some of my overlayers, which I like to add on my brand to my videos, my thumbnails. And I have this one, I put it right here in the corner, and then switch it backwards. Then once this is all done, now you know what I might do? I might change this, and I'm gonna copy and paste this review. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna bring up my title thing. Click this and click that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put reviewer down here at the bottom. W. Okay, now I'm going to take it and enlarge it a whole lot. I should be able to enlarge it really bad down here. Put that right there, and I'll create the effect for it and change it to yellow. Just bring up this, and then I'm gonna bring up, just leave it at 23 there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the review out of here like this, like that, and then what I can do, I can shrink this a little bit more like that, bring it over here. Now I can possibly make this a little bit bigger now. So it's easy for you guys to see. Now once that's done, I put it all together and combine it, and then I save it down onto my computer. Just wait for it to load up. And I save it to my pictures. It's asking me, do I want to replace it? So it's referring to the other picture that I was using, so I'm gonna say yes, and then it saves. And that's how I make a thumbnail for my videos, guys. So if you kind of interested on how I do my thumbnails for my videos, now you guys know. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, please subscribe to join the Wolf Pack, and may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And don't forget, guys, please click that bell icon so you get notifications when we upload a video. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.